So I'm 24 years of age and I have never grew a beard, and all of you guys have been saying grow a beard, grow a beard, grow a beard. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to finally grow a beard and I'm going to track my progress over the 90 days, and after the 90 days I will have a beard and show you guys, hey look, this is Ghuman with beard, let's go. So this is day one and this is how my beard currently looks. As you can see, I have a very patchy beard, and now I have never actually grew a beard, and I know a lot of you guys think, hey, grow a beard, so I thought, you know what, let me take progress videos and see how the beard actually develops. As you can see, it's a really light stubble at the minute. It's like how I would usually have it. Like, I've been having it like this for years, and I'm actually going to track. So the plan is, hopefully, yeah, this is just going to grow, and yeah, that's the plan, and hopefully hair will start coming back here as well. So this is the current situation of Ghuman and his beard. Let's see if we can develop this beard and make it look pretty cool. Why not? Let's give it a go. So this is the current progression of the beard, and as you can see, I still have that patch. And now, two things which I'm gonna do before you see me in the next clip, which may be in a couple of days or maybe even next week. We shall see how this thing grows. I want to remove the hairs from here so it has some shape, and also another thing that I tend to do when I have a little bit of hair there, I'm just going to shape it up myself by literally just taking the hair from here a little bit here. And also, if still there isn't no hair, and also if you guys can see, I don't know how good this camera is and if you can be able to see, I've started to get like grey hair, like 1 2 grey hairs here to fill in that patch. Now, 1 second. Yeah? 1 second. So the plan is to just shape it up a bit so it kind of gives that illusion that is all one, and you know, you won't be able to see the patch as much, because at the minute you can see the patch is just too much and it really needs that kind of shape in order to cover the patch and kind of like hide it, you can say, so it kind of goes with the flow. That's the plan. You can see how everything is going so far. So this is the current situation of the beard. As you can see, I've got rid of the hairs from here, and also I had hairs like there. I've also shaped it up a little bit there, so I'm still trying to keep the shape while it's growing. And another thing is, I don't like it to be too high, so I know a lot of people will grow their beard and keep hair like here, but I prefer not to. I prefer to keep the beard quite low. Like I said, I'm not no professional in this. This is my first time I'm ever doing this, so I like to keep it low and like here. Like there is a little bit too much, you know, because my face is quite small as it is, and if I have hair here as well, I feel like my face will look even more smaller. So that is the plan. This is how the current situation of the beard transformation is. It's kind of going alright, isn't it? I'm not gonna lie. It's slowly starting to actually turn into a beard now. What I did last week was that I tried to have it quite low, but this week I haven't touched it. The only thing I have done this week to this beard is that I've kind of shaped up a bit more. I just felt like I didn't want hair there, yeah, so I thought I'd just keep a little bit of shape. That's the kind of shape I want instead of having loads of hair here. So you can see I've just trimmed a bit at the bottom there, and I feel like, yeah, I know I said before I want to have it quite low. I want to try and keep it quite high as possible, but the only reason why I don't want to have it high is because of that mark there. If you can let me try focus. And then also here there's some grey hair starting to come because I didn't have hair before. I now need a haircut, and when I have a haircut it will kind of look good, because what I tend to do is I have it pointed here and it will look good. But this is a progression. I should see you next week or either the week after. So guys, today I finally had a haircut, and you can see it looks cool with the fade as well, because it connects with the sideburn, and the barber only did my hair. I actually shaped the beard up myself, so I got rid of all the hairs here. Also, I tried to fade it in. I know I didn't do the best job, but it's whatever, okay? So this is the current situation of the beard. It looks cool as well with this little slit. There has been hair growing, but it's been grey hair, okay? Like 3 or 4 like big grey hairs. Like, so what I did was I actually dyed my hair a little bit here, so it kind of gives that illusion that there's black hair. So this is the current situation of the beard gains. Ghuman is starting to look like a man, which is good. But something that I tell you all is, yeah, if you guys want to grow a beard, you gotta keep on track with the hair. That's something I will advise you guys, especially if you have short hair, try keep on top of the hair. I know it means going to the barber every 2 weeks, but it looks good. Like, because before what happened was I had a lot of hair here, and now it gives the illusion that there's hair here and it fades in with the beard, okay? So I don't know how long this is gonna keep going. I'm gonna try and take this as long as I can. Alright guys, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just trimming the beard so it's all in line, because at the minute it's just like everywhere. It is literally just madness. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lightly go over it so it's all at the same level. This is actually turning into a beard. Like, what the hell? I never thought that I would ever do this. I didn't. Like, this is madness, look at that. Whoa. Whoa, that's crazy. Also, another thing I actually do is I trimmed the hair a little bit here because it got a little bit crazy. It looked like a proper big mustache. I was like, no. So I just went over the mustache so there's less hair here and more hair on the cheek and coming down. So yeah, that is how everything is going. So this is the current situation of the beard, yo. Check that out. It's actually now getting length, okay? It's actually now coming down like a proper beard, okay? So now what I've actually decided to do is all I'm gonna do is trim the top hair like here and here, and I'm not gonna worry too much about, like, you know, shaving here or anything. I'm just gonna let it grow. So this is how everything is going. You know, this is quite cool because I'm actually like taking videos every other week and showing you how it's actually progressing, and it's like a transformation video, you can say. Yo, you know what the best thing is? You know what I'm doing this, yeah? Whoa, check that out. Oh my goodness, it's like so big. Whoa, look at that. This is insane. Check that out. Oh my god. I trimmed the mustache a little bit as well because I don't want loads of hair on the mustache because it doesn't look right, I feel. Like, for me anyway, I know some people have that big thing that comes like that. Like, that looks quite cool on them, but for me it doesn't look good. So I just trim it a little bit and I just let it grow. Whoa, this is so, no, look at that. Oh my, okay, relax here, but this is so cool. Look at that. Are you guys ready for day 90? I have now got a haircut, yeah? This is how the old round Ghuman looked, you know? He didn't have a beard. But after 90 days, boys and girls, are you ready? Oh, you kind of saw a little bit there. But, here we go. Wow! Anyway, back to the motivation music. This is kind of emotional, man. I said to myself, I will never ever grow a beard, but I finally did it. But now, the thing is, yeah, I had alopecia right here, yeah? And I said to myself, I will share the secret what I actually did, okay? You guys remember I had a patch right here. So, there's two things that I did, okay? Now, the first one is the fact that I made the beard so it came in line with everything, okay? So, it didn't look as bad because remember I had a big patch right here. Now, the other thing I did was that, the second thing, I actually applied beard oil, okay? Now, I was never a fan, okay? But as my beard started growing over the weeks, it started getting really itchy and patchy. And I'm looking at other celebrities, I'm like, what the hell are they doing? Which I'm not doing. I actually contacted a local business called Mobros. I'm like, hey, look, man, this is the crack. Can you do anything, okay? Because I have a patch right here and this thing, yeah, is itchy. Can you please help me out? Because I got to do a 90-day transformation video. And they said, hey, look, just calm down, all right? What we are going to do is we're going to give you this oil, okay? Now, I want you just to apply it, you know, after you come out of the shower or wake up in the morning, just apply this oil. First, yeah, it smells so damn good. I kept applying, and dude, this thing actually worked. It's like beard oil, vanilla, and mango. I'm like, damn. And I was actually about to remove the beard. And I thought, no, I'm actually gonna enjoy it for a few more weeks, yeah? Yeah? this thing is incredible. I actually contacted him and said, hey look man, I have a few followers on YouTube and Instagram. Is there anything you guys can do? And they said, no problem, we'll give you a deal, okay? So it's actually £20. It promotes hair growth, it makes your beard soft, it gives you the essential nutrients that your beard needs in order to grow. And you guys have got a really good deal on this oil as well, okay? So click the first link in the bio and make sure you check out this oil, because hey, it is so good. Literally, you apply it after the shower or you wake up in the morning, put it on your beard. I am a fitness professional, I'm not like a beard professional, okay? Because this is the first time I'm doing this. So all I have been doing is, yeah, I've been keeping the shape, and I've just been removing the hairs here with a blade. Literally on top, just remove the hair, not too high, I'd rather pluck here, just here, remove the hair. I know you can get a barber to do it, but I just felt like I'd do it myself. And I know I wanted to keep the shape here, but I just kind of left it. So yeah, just literally keep that shape, okay? If you want to go higher, but keep that shape, and also remove the hairs underneath the neck, because you don't want like, you know, like a little hair here. Keep it just intact, okay? Keep on top of it. Now, that's all done. Now, the secret. How are we gonna promote the hair growth? 4 drops, 1, 2, can you see the drop? 3 and 4. That is it, yeah? 4 drops. I'm so happy using this. Yeah, rub it in your palms, yeah. Rub it in your palms and just apply it in the beard, yeah? Whoa, and you can shape it up. Now, everyone's genetics are different with the beard, okay? Literally, shape it up how you want. Rub it right in your beard. Apply it when you wake up in the morning, when you're about to meet your girl, and she can be like, damn, you smell so good, okay? So, that is that. That is that. And you can see now the beard is actually gone quite curly as well. That's something cool as well. It's like when you do workout in the gym, yeah? You destroy that muscle, you tear that muscle down, and then you need to feed the muscle. It's exactly the same here. You're feeding the beard with the essential nutrients. Because what happens is, when you get out of the shower, yeah, you rub your beard, it actually cleans the beard, yes, but also it gets rid of all the essential oils that your beard needs to promote the hair growth. You can see it's so soft. Now I know how these celebs have that sick beard, like Drake, yeah? Drake, yeah, is incredible. I used to be like, you know what, I want a beard like that. How do I do it? I feel absolutely honored that you guys have watched this whole entire journey that I have done. I don't know if I'll keep it, because now it's all over the video and my motivation to do it. Now whatever, like it's whatever. You guys keep saying, hey, remove it, remove it. I might say, you know what? I might just trim it down a little bit. I'll keep a little bit, maybe not like this much. If you liked the video, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I shall see you all in the next video. Peace.